declaration from the founders of this nation. We need to wake and pay attention. As the founders' hearts are crying, the people's voices seem to be dying. As the founders' battles keep raging on. Yeah, we the people must take a stand. The pitchers rally to save this land. Let's show the world it can be done now. We are an inspiration. We need to reach a generation. We are speaking louder than before. We are the model that can't be forgotten. We have the freedom that has been fought, and we are speaking louder than before. We need to wake and make a stand. We must unite to save this land. Restore the founders' charter of freedom. One nation, a shining city on a hill, to show the nations with love and peace that we will make a difference in this world. Yeah, we the people must take a stand. We need to unite to save this land. Let's show the world it can be done now. We are an inspiration. We need to reach a generation. We are speaking louder than before. We are the model that can't be forgotten. We have the freedom that has been fought, and we are speaking louder than before. The time must be now. The urgency I feel. We must stand and rise to the call of our nation. The need is real. Can you feel this call to revolution? My heart is breaking day by day. That's why I'm speaking on. That's why I'm speaking now. We are an inspiration. We need to reach a generation. We are speaking louder than before. We are the model that can't be forgotten. We have the freedom that has been fought, and we are speaking louder than before. We are speaking louder. We are speaking louder. We are speaking louder than before.
You know, in the days after 9/11, the skies were quiet. I'll never forget.
What?
It was eerily quiet. I lived under the flight path from the airport, PDX, and I kept thinking that it seemed so odd. In retrospect, of course, I think about sort of the nuts and bolts of that. And I think of that one day when those F-15s pierced the air.
Yeah.